Now let's talk about macroviruses.
Macroviruses. Well, there are more than I thought.
A macrovirus is a computer virus that replaces a macro, which is what enables a program to work and instigates a designated group of actions and commands. When these actions and commands are replaced by a virus, this can cause significant harm to a computer. Spreadsheets applications or word processors like Microsoft Word use macros, which are a combination of commands. This grouping of commands is meant to execute tasks which are in a sequence and often repeated. Macroviruses are designed to target these macros and change their functioning. Web scripting viruses are generally noticed in the programming utilized for a display of websites. The image, videos, the layout of a site, and its links all consist coding. This can be changed by a cyber criminal with a view to infect your computer, especially when you are clicking links or watching videos on a malicious site. Also, a site may have a malware which was added by some third party without its knowledge. Therefore, you have to be careful about visiting any sites. The list of viruses is endless, and we have to continuously keep ourselves updated about them. Beware, a pen drive is one of the biggest culprits to spread the virus. Once your pen drive or the borrowed pen drive belonging to your friend or any such removable storage device is infected, it can continue to pass on the virus and infect all the devices wherever it is used. After infecting your computer, the virus will start replicating itself or slow down for a period of time, as if in a deep sleep, until some action wakes it up and act. The virus can infect other system software or resources, or delete, copy, or even encrypt your data. A good habit would be to use a good antivirus to clean any pen drive before you use it.